Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate Talkback in our phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here. Go to settings. Then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility and go to Talkback and turn on this button and give all permissions and click OK. Yes, Talkback is activated.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
Instruction
Talkback
will
is a
be
screen
given by
reader
your phone.
intended for
According to
situations or
instruction,
people who have
you can
difficulty
follow
seeing
the screen.
It gives you spoken
This
feedback
Talkback will
so
be
that
useful
you
for
can use your
those
device
people
without looking at the
who are
screen.
having difficulty in
You can
reading
turn
the
Talkback on
screen.
or off
That is
by holding
low
both
vision
volume
people
keys
or
for
blind
several
people
seconds.
can easily
When
use
Talkback is
this
on,
Talkback.
a focused
This
item on the
Talkback
screen
will
is
be very
spoken out
helpful
loud.
to them by
Swiping
hearing the
right
voice
will move to the
and then
next item, and swiping next button.
act
Double
accordingly.
tap to activate.
For example, if you want to go to this next button, you can hear that voice and then you can double tap on it to go
Explore
to
by
that
touch. Page 2 of
particular
5.
particular option. Okay, if you want to close,
Close button.
if you
Double tap
touch on
to
it, you
activate.
can understand that what you have selected from the voice reading. Then you can act to go to that particular item. Just double tap on it.
Close
Okay.
tutorial. You can close button. Double tap to activate. Allow. Home button. Window navigation bar. One UI home.
So in this way,
Pager.
you can easily activate double tap and use you can easily activate Talkback and you can use it for your purpose. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.